What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Will already be my second video for those who have seen the first one at least. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about Bitcoin, but also about Solana. Solana is a token I hold personally, and I am a big fan of it. It's a huge network, and apparently it has beaten Bitcoin. So I wanted to get right into the charts and the technicals behind it. Before I do that though, I just want to reiterate once more, everything I'm about to tell you is my personal opinions, my personal investments, things I do in this crypto space, and please treat them as such. What I say is by no means facts. It's just my pure speculation, and I am just a guy sitting in his attic trying to make money online. So please keep that in mind, and yeah, let's jump into the video. All right, so here we are at CoinMarketCap. As I said before, I was going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin as well. We can see the overall crypto market cap today, it's quite a bit higher than a few days ago. So that's in my opinion, it's always a good sign to see more money in the markets. Bitcoin's a little bit higher, and Solana is actually trending right now. So that being said, Solana is still, in my opinion, one of the, well, not just my opinion, it is one of the biggest altcoins around, but I think that's for a reason. The network's solid. There's a lot of tokens on it already, a lot of meme coins on it as well. So that's actually a good thing, because it means money is flowing on that network. Volume's there. So everyone that trades on Solana needs Solana. So a lot of money will be flowing in, and we can actually see that here. So overall, I think the stats on CoinMarketCap are good. It's the number 5 biggest crypto in the world, but what's important to me is look at the market cap. If we look at it, obviously it's below BNB, but look at ETH. So people are speculating that Solana will eventually surpass Ethereum. It doesn't even have to do that. Even if it just doubles, that still leaves a lot of room. Other than that, I also think, like, as more money flows into the crypto market overall, there's still a lot more potential for just Solana on its own. So if we go to the crypto bubbles, today we can see it's actually pretty green overall. It's better than a couple days ago. We're actually growing a little bit. The monthly is actually still really good. Solana 20%, which is just really good. I think, like I said, I'm gonna get to the chart in a minute, but yeah, overall it's not bad. We had a little of a correction. We have, in my opinion, quite big green movements as well. So I think the market sentiment is really good. The crypto fear and greed index, it's lower, but that's good actually, because it means there's a lot of upwards potential left. Like I said on the last video, I think we were around 62-ish. Now we're 10 points lower, but if we go lower, it means more fear is in the market, more money's been shaken out, but eventually it starts to reverse. And considering it's on fear, and we're actually seeing a bit upwards movement, I personally think is a good sign. I think we will be seeing a bigger movement up, and I'll just show on the chart to confirm that as well. This is the news I was talking about. This is also the headline of this video. Hits a record versus Ethereum and outperforms Bitcoin as AI meme coin frenzy surging and revenues fuel rally. That's very good news. Like I said, the market cap's growing. We see a lot of movement. We see a lot of volume on it. Other than that, I don't really care about the article. It just means that the stats overall on the network are actually pretty good. And even if it's meme coins, altcoins, AI coins, I don't care what it is. It means that the network is faring well. And That's why I like it. I like a token. Also, I like to use it because gas fees are next to nothing. It's quick, it's fast. We can get in and out on tokens very easily. And yeah, I like my transactions not costing 50 bucks or whatever ETH charges. I've seen it cost 1,000 for some tokens on some buy market volumes and whatever. I think Solana is definitely here to stay. So now we're here back on the Bitcoin chart. This was the chart from the last video. I thought it'd be fun to grab it and compare the two. So you see the little red line here. We actually went below this. We touched this first level and we bounced back up. Now, as you can see, the day we still have a few hours left in the day. It's actually quite late here. It's almost 10. So a little more than 2 hours left for this candle closes. But if it does, we are once again above that trend line. So considering the 75K is here, I think we can actually move towards that point. And considering the other cryptos are also performing really well, I wanted to grab the Solana USDT chart. It actually looks really similar. We see these same spikes, these same moves up. And I, on purpose, that didn't draw anything on this yet, but we see another of these movements. But however, we do see a little bit of an upwards movement forming. And considering Solana is an altcoin and will follow the general movements of Bitcoin, considering Bitcoin's breaking, I think Solana will follow this for sure. Now, if Bitcoin goes to 75K, I've actually not really charted out where Solana will end up, but it's safe to assume Solana will follow. Solana will reach a new all-time high as well. And yeah, I think we can speculate on that. I do the same thing with Solana as I do on Bitcoin. If it goes higher, I tend to sell some. If it goes down, I buy more. So I actually have quite a bit of Solana left at this point, and I'm just wondering if we reach here, I might sell something, and otherwise, let's see where we end up. Considering the last few days haven't not been that exciting, I actually tried a little dabbling at it's not loading the chart for some reason. I've actually dabbled a little bit in leverage trading. I'm not really a big fan of it. I've mentioned it in the last video. I think I'm more of an investor than an actual trader. But I've seen some people talking about it today, and people then don't really know what leverage is. I'm actually in a nice little upwards movement. It's just a small trade at this point, but it's the same line. It's the same line where we're currently moving above. It's the same chart, so yeah, it'd be weird if it was different, but I drew this on an entirely different time scale, so it's good to see that even if you chart multiple times, you come to the same conclusion. That's mainly why I wanted to show it. And if you want to trade on this exchange, if you do want to trade leverage, one safety tip I'd like to give: make sure you trade on isolated margin. It means basically that the money you put in the trade is the money you trade with. It doesn't take into account your entire trading account, or at least your leverage trading wallet. If you do that and try to stay clear from the 20x leverages and whatever, if you do that, you risk blowing your entire account, and it'll suck. It's not a good thing to happen. It's happened to me in the past multiple times. I had a big learning curve as well. I just wanted to name it in this video. All right, other than that, I think I'm done for this video. I think it's been a learning experience for me as well. I'm glad to do this second video. I liked everyone's comments on the first one. Thank you all for liking and subscribing. Let's try to keep it going. Leave a few likes, leave a comment if you don't agree with me, leave a comment if you want me to talk about something in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me as well. And right, I'll see you on the next video, guys.